right, today's mission, we're going to use this dump trailer, and we're going to use this backhoe with the tractor and this grapple. This grapple works wonders for demolition. So we rip stuff out with the backhoe, turn around, grab it with the grapple, throw it right in the dump trailer, and it's gone. So the mission here is to get rid of this pool and the deck. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Get rid of the pool, the deck, rip it out, throw it in the dump trailer, and give them a nice clear backyard without this old pool that they don't want anymore. All right, let's have at it. All right, we got the first load ready to go, and we'll come back and keep knocking this thing out. Well, 2 days later, here's the after. It was 4 dump trailers full of debris, weighing in at about 10,000 pounds. And it took quite a bit to get all this out of here, but now it's done. And they can have their yard back and not have to maintain that pool that they weren't using anyhow.